Hi everyone! So today I want to show you how I make my barbecue chicken skewer recipe. So when I make this recipe there's not any leftovers, so let's start. So I start with some vegetables and I have marinated the chicken, and then I will add chicken and my vegetables on my skewer. And for the chicken, I have made a barbecue spice rub with a little olive oil, and I marinated it for 30 minutes. And also make sure you soak your wooden skewers in water to prevent them from burning on the barbecue. And after that I will add olive oil to a disposable aluminum grill tray, and that really helps with the meat not sticking to the barbecue. And then I will grill the skewers at 450 directly on the aluminum tray on the barbecue. And after that I will cook the skewers for about 15 minutes, and after that I will brush the meat with the barbecue sauce, and I will flip the skewers and brush the other side as well, and I will repeat this step like 2 or 3 times. And also make sure you use my recipe for the barbecue sauce, because this is really the star of the show. And then you continue cooking for another 5 minutes, and you check with a knife to ensure the meat is fully cooked, and that's it. After that it's ready. I usually serve this with vegetables. So I hope you enjoy spending time with me, and the recipe is on my blog. You can check it out. I will leave the link on the description box. So see you soon.